Stebbins, Technology Director at Sharenode. We're very excited to announce some major updates to our back office. As you log in, you will notice your tokens in your SMP and NSG wallets have increased. This is because we have activated our daily NSG and SMP and also your business token daily rewards, and these tokens have been deposited into your wallet. This is huge. Depending on when you became an active Sharenode member, you will see your daily rewards inside your transaction history. I'm going to briefly go over what has changed, explain how to review your daily rewards, and address some small issues that we will be fixing within the next 24 hours. I know you're all excited about this major update, so let's get started. So we're going to take a look at this admin account that we use at the development level to test updates that we make in the back office. Please just use this as an example of what you should see in your back office. The first thing you're going to notice when you log in is that your SMP and your NSG bonus wallets have increased. You will also see that your BTC bonus wallet is 0. This is because we have created a brand new Bitcoin bonus wallet that displays all transactions and commissions in BTC rather than NSG. Your old BTC bonus wallet is now in your wallet history labeled Legacy Bitcoin Wallet. Your commissions and Bitcoin balances have not been removed. You still can withdraw simply by selecting this wallet in the wallet transactions section of your dashboard. So let's move to the business directory section to explain the updates here. Scrolling down, you will see your business directory and your token balances for each business that participates in the Sharenode ecosystem. There is a bug in this display that not only shows balances that are incorrect, but also does not display all the businesses in the directory. This is simply a display issue, and rest assured our data is correct, and we'll be updating this within 24 hours. So let's head over to the wallet transaction history so you can learn how to view your daily tokens. The transaction history section of your dashboard allows you to quickly view all your transactions in each and every one of your wallets. This includes your SNP, your NSG, your BTC, and your business token wallet history. We're going to start with the SMP wallet. You will notice for each new business that joins Sharenode, you have been given X amount of SMP tokens. Unlike the NSG and business token wallets, which pay out daily, the SMP token rewards only happen when new businesses come online with Sharenode. As you earn or purchase more SMP, your SMP rewards will also increase. This bonus is directly related to how many SMP you own. The more SMP you have in your wallet, the more SMP you will earn. Moving to the BTC bonus wallet, you will notice this wallet is completely empty. That is because this is the new BTC bonus wallet. Unlike the old BTC bonus wallet that displayed all transactions in NSG, this new wallet will display everything in Bitcoin. This makes it simple and easy to review the orders and see how much commissions you are making in BTC rather than NSG. Next, we're going to move to the Legacy BTC wallet. This is the BTC bonus wallet that you have had since our launch. All of your commissions are still in this wallet, aren't available for withdrawal just like before. Nothing has changed here. So let's move on to the next wallet, which is your NSG bonus wallet. If you are an active Sharenode member, you will notice daily NSG rewards have been paid out from the beginning as promised. You will also notice the daily rewards increasing over time. This is because NSG is paid out based on your total SNP balance and also how many businesses are on the Sharenode network. As you keep earning or buying more SMP, your daily NSG rewards will keep increasing. The final area you can review is the business token wallets. Every business that joins Sharenode triggers a new wallet inside your dashboard, and this wallet will be filled every day with new tokens based on the SMP total balance you have. Just like the NSG bonus wallet, you can review every reward that happens in this business token wallet. And that's it. We hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email info@sharenode.com. Thanks again for all your support, and you guys have an awesome day.